Hi mga Lods, this is Pina in the Bronx. Okay Lods, for today videos ay tungkol sa aking mood rakels na nag-visit ng Statue of Liberty. So, sabay-sabay nating panoorin kung na-experience, maganda bang experience niya sa Liberty. Masaya ba siya? Dahil nandito siya now sa New York. So, let's watch it! Hello! Pupunta kami ngayon sa Statue of Liberty. Kamusta naman, Aling Lita? Sobrang init ba?
Grabe init. Grabe pila.
Ang haba ba ng pila? Kasi hindi ka makakarating sa New York kung hindi ka pupunta ng Statue of Liberty. Ayan. Punong-puno po ng turista. Napakaraming turista. Si Aling Lita, turista. Kamusta ang New York, Aling Lita? Sumagot ka naman. Hindi ka sumasagot. Kamusta?
Pagod ka na lakad.
Meron po kami
Island. We are embarking on a journey of great historical significance. Ellis Island was the principal gateway for immigrants arriving into the U.S. between 1892 and 1924. Our current course recalls the voyages of approximately 12 million American immigrants. They passed through these waters on their way to Ellis Island and a new life. By the time they reached New York City Harbor, they had already spent weeks at sea, usually on a small, overcrowded steerage deck of massive steamships. They were often excited, exhausted, and anxious about what lay ahead. As they neared the end of their journey, these immigrants were greeted by a number of overwhelming sights. Many of these same sights are visible to you today. Look at the Manhattan skyline. Imagine the awe these new arrivals must have felt as the city